Discover coastal living in this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home built in 2022 and situated on a 0.23-acre lot. Designed with comfort and functionality in mind, the open concept floor plan offers a bright and welcoming living space ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. The kitchen features granite countertops with added outlets, a corner pantry, and generous workspace, seamlessly connecting to the main living area. All 3 bedrooms offer spacious walk-in closets, while both bathrooms include double vanities. The principal suite also features a walk-in shower for added comfort. Additional highlights include a covered front porch with recessed lighting, a back patio perfect for outdoor gatherings, sliding glass doors with built-in blinds, a dedicated laundry/utility room, and a convenient carport. The backyard includes a storage shed and added privacy with 6-foot fencing along both sides of the property. Ideally located just minutes from historic Beaufort, Morehead City, and the beaches of Atlantic Beach, this home offers easy access to boating, waterfront dining, shopping, and everything the Crystal Coast lifestyle has to offer. Just add water to your lifestyle.